to the Postmanday. Rafale aircraft makes its debut on Republic Day flypast. The fighter jet conducted Ekalavya formation by flying around 300 meters. The newly inducted Rafale fighter aircraft featured for the first time in India's Republic Day flypast as it carried out the Brahmastra formation alone and was part of the Ekalavya formation with 4 other fighter jets. The fighter jet conducted Ekalavya formation by flying at a height of around 300 meters along with 2 Jaguar and 2 MiG-29 aircraft. The 5 jets resembled a V shape with Rafale leading the pack. The 25,000 strong audience was able to see Rafale fighter jet again when it culminated the flypast by conducting the Brahmastra formation, wherein it traversed at a low altitude for some distance, then pulled up vertically at 90 degrees and conducted rolls before stabilizing at a higher altitude. The IAF's marching contingent at the parade consisted of 4 officers and 96 soldiers marching in a box formation of 12 rows and 8 columns. The marching contingent was led by Flight Lieutenant Tanik Sharma and 3 supernumerary officers, Flight Lieutenant Manjeet Singh, Flight Lieutenant Apurva Yadav and Flying Officer Kuttappa.